In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task report in Confluence. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want your report to live. This could be a team dashboard, a project overview, or any page your audience regularly visits. Make sure you have permission to edit the page so your changes can be saved and shared. Once you're on the right page, click Edit. This takes you into the page editor where you can add content and macros. Place your cursor exactly where you want the report to appear, positioning it thoughtfully near existing project notes or next to key milestones helps your team find it quickly. In the editor, type / then task report. So that's task report. The / command is a quick way to bring up Confluence macros without leaving the editor. When the macro picker appears, select the task report macro. This macro automatically compiles tasks from your Confluence content and presents them in a table, saving you from manual tracking across multiple pages. Now, configure the report so it shows what matters. Choose the space if you want to pull tasks from a specific area of your Confluence site, or keep it broad if your work spans multiple sections. Narrow it further by selecting a specific page when you need a focused view, like all action items from a particular meeting notes page. Set an assignee if you want to see tasks owned by a specific person, which is great for one-on-ones or individual work streams. Finally, pick the task status, open, completed, or both, depending on whether you're tracking pending work or showcasing progress. As you adjust these options, review the live preview that appears. Confirm that the tasks listed match your expectations. If you're seeing too much, tighten your filters by space or page. If you're missing items, broaden the scope or clear filters that are too restrictive. Make sure the preview looks clean and useful with the right tasks and owners visible. When you're satisfied with the preview, publish the page. Your task report will render in a readable table that your team can view immediately. From here, people can scan open items, see who's responsible, and follow up as needed. The great thing about this macro is that it stays in sync with your Confluence content. So as tasks are added or completed on the referenced pages, the report will reflect those changes the next time the page loads. That's it. Your task report is live, clear, and ready to keep everyone aligned.